Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So when I try to open video editor, Microsoft Video Editor on my Windows 11 computer, now over here there is no option to add my videos, combine my videos. So here you can see video editor option is there, but I cannot do anything over here. So let me check. There is only a refresh settings option, and there is only install option. Sorry, import option. So here actually there used to be a plus sign so that I can add my videos. Now to fix it, the first step is to install Microsoft Legacy, Photos Legacy. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. It will be Microsoft Store website. Now over here you can see install option. To install Microsoft Photos Legacy, click on install. It will prompt you to open Microsoft Store, so click on open Microsoft Store. In my case, this is already installed, so it will give me an option to open Microsoft Photos Legacy. Now if you see the install option, install it, and then you can open Photos Legacy and go to Windows Editor, and then you should be able to see the plus sign over here, and you can continue with the editing. Now if you already have a Microsoft Legacy application, Microsoft Photos Legacy app, if this is already installed and you see video editor, and if you don't see these options, then in that case the next step is to perform system restore. So to fix this, type in system restore in Windows search box and then click on type in system restore and then click on create a restore point. Now click on system restore on the top and then click on select choose a different restore point. Click on next. So you have to select the date and time when the video editor was working fine. So I started facing this problem after 16. So in my case, I will select this the oldest restore point. So you have to select the restore point on which date the video editor was working fine, on that day or maybe the date before. So and then click on next and then click on finish and let the system restore complete. So for me, actually performing the system restore has worked. So once you perform the system restore, during the system restore, do not unplug the power cable from the computer. And after the system restore, once you log in, open video editor. If you have the Photos Legacy, you should be able to open video editor and you should be able to see these options. Now during the system restore, if somehow the restore is not complete, in that case your system may show you advanced option, like your system will be in Windows recovery environment. In that case you can go to advanced settings and then go to options. You can go to troubleshoot and then from options you can go for system restore, and after the system restore you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get the video editor working on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, one more thing I forgot to mention, that you can open Microsoft Store, and once you open Microsoft Store, don't go for automatic update for now, because it may update Photos app and you might face the problem. So you can go to click on the profile icon, click on settings, and then you can over here app updates, update apps automatically. If this is on, you can turn it off, and you can update your application manually. You can update it from the library. So you can go to library. If you want to update any other application on Microsoft Store, you will see update options. So manually you can update it, but don't update Photos app Photos Legacy app, and that should help you to get the video editor working. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.